everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix your internet is too slow. This video should be your saver. Some fixes are here to help you out, and with these solutions your iPhone should not relapse into this slow internet problem again. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is toggle airplane mode on and off. If you're using the cellular but the phone internet is too slow to even load a picture, seeking help from toggling airplane mode on and off might work. For this, go to settings and then toggle on airplane mode, and then wait for some time, and then toggle off airplane mode, and you are done. And the next step is turn off background app refresh. If this feature is enabled, it means your iPhone will keep updating the latest content under Wi-Fi or cellular connection. And if it goes on for a long time, your iPhone may be packed with tons of information, which causes unable to run smoothly for the lack of enough storage space, thus preventing the network to run at a normal speed. Therefore, it's necessary for you to turn off this feature to release certain storage. For this, go to settings, scroll down, and then tap on general, and then tap on background app refresh. Again tap on background app refresh, toggle off the button next to it, and you are done. And the next step is force quiet all apps. Force quiet all apps that are running in the background is also necessary for you to rule out the possible cause. If you open too many apps at the same time, whether you are in Wi-Fi or cellular connection, it still takes time for your iPhone to process and load information. For this, go to home screen and swipe up from the bottom of the screen, and you can see all the opened apps. Swipe up to clear them one by one, or you can use 3 of your fingers to clear them all at once, and you are done. And the next step is force reboot your iPhone. If the problem still exists, please try to force reboot your iPhone to fix a potential software glitch. Force rebooting your iPhone is considered to be one useful solution to many encountered iOS problems. Therefore, if your internet is very slow, try this method, may work to help. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button, and do the same with the down button, and press the power button, and then slide to power off, and then wait for some time and press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is update iOS version. Like many bug fixes, updating to the latest iOS version recommended as well. If your iPhone is in relatively slow internet, please update your software. Scroll down and then tap on general, and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS, and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings on your phone, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of slow internet, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.